Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to know what is the collection active concept, the active concept of a collection. This is especially useful if you don't use Supermemo for incremental reading per se, and you create your own elements by straight away. It will be more relevant for you.
They are this very convenient. Oh, you have to select your topic. Let's say
In this case, what is Fowl active concept? Do you think it's this one, root web course, or this one, Melanie Burnett? That's the one. This is the element that is set in this current element. And yes, a concept element can have set a different concept itself as an element. It's possible to do that. But this is the collection. Then, he doesn't cover this explicitly. He uses that, but doesn't explain it. I have product management. Then that means that if I create, let me go to the root. Then that means that if I click edit and add a new node, where's this node? I don't know yet. But hey, it's using product management. The concept group is product management. Why? Because that's the one. That I want to change the concept being active. I can go here, and from now on, it will be business and management. Then, if I add a new node, where am I? Look at this. I'm below the concept of business and economy. I'm inside this concept. Do you see? Then, that's a good example, because look at the concept as an element. It's called business and economy and management. Yet the concept, as in concept registry member, it's called one, business and management. It's not exactly the same name. That is because when you have concepts, this name, which you can rename right away, is the name of the concept registry member. And this is the title of the element, which this happens to be a concept. And if we go to the element parameters, that is the title. Do you see now it makes more sense? This is the title and the group. It's itself, by the way. That is the key appreciation. It's not the same. A concept element that a concept registry member than a concept as a property, as the group. There are three different things. This property of an element is linking to one concept registry member. Then, let's change the example because it will be easier. Okay. So that's the topic. It has the business and management. That is one of the concepts I have in my collection. This is a property that is linking to this concept registry member. This is not linking to this element. I could do it. There are also element by element links, but it's not the same thing. Then remember, by the way, this is how you can link other concepts. Then, if I always want to use the new node, new article, new item, and so on, you will have to use this. Because if what I use is the importer, I can select the concept group anytime. Education and schooling. I don't have to use the one that is active. So remember that. That means that if you don't use incremental reading, you create your items manually every single time. You will be, let's say, a slave of the active concept, and you will be having to manually change it every single time. That's not true for incremental reading. Assuming you import this, you choose the concept, and so on. So that's all you need to know regarding the default concept of the collection. See you in the next video.